BRAXTON'S channel. So this channel is all about baby stuff, toys review, and unboxing. So today's vlog is we will gonna unbox the Graco table-to-table Premier Fold 7-in-1 high chair. And my husband will gonna unbox and show to you the different parts. Watch this.
Bunch of parts. So we'll show you everything in a bit. Whoa. There's the instructions. That's actually good quality.
Sturdy. Wow.
Look at all this parts. So you have to assemble all this.
Wow, this is the legs. Wow, guys, look at that, so quality. Ooh, this is the pad. Wow, Braxton, you're so lucky.
Alright guys, so this is everything you should have in that box that we just unboxed. So we're gonna go one by one and tell you what each one is called. Okay, this is the base of the tray. So this is where your son or daughter would eat, and that right there is an insert right there. So you have two parts. Next one is a child seat booster, and it's a 5-point harness. These here are the legs of the seat. Alright, this part right here is the seat pad, and that is the seat backrest right there, and it has harnesses. This thing is the toddler chair, and below that here is the calf support. Here is an infant insert padding. Right here is a tube with wheels. Alright guys, so this is the seat. This is the one you want to grab, and you want to grab the 4 legs. 2 with the gray in the bottom, and the other 2 without the gray in the bottom. Look at the warning sign. When you see the warning sign, you want to flip that down like this, so it's easy to install. And now you grab the 2 legs that are gray in the bottom. Hold the gray with your hand, and now this part with the hole, you want to put that right here. So this part is going to be snapping, so like this. So, right. You do it with the other side. Here we go. All right. So far you have your item like this. All right. So you notice one is longer than the other. All right. So I'm going to flip it like this. So here's the long side. All right. Here we are. And this is the shorter legs right here. Okay. So I'm going to have it like that. Now I'm gonna grab this part right here. There's bolts back here, and the other side has no bolts. I'm gonna look at the side with bolts. Now I'm gonna have these square looking holes here. I'm going to attach them right here. All right, there we go. So they should be attached. So we attached this one. We are ready now to put it up. Okay. And now you'll notice that right here, there's a lever. That lever, you could actually pull it up like that. All right, so that's the right side. Here's the left side. They both have it. I'm gonna grab the left, the right side, pull both of them up at the same time, and just pull up. And there you go. You squeeze it together. You hear a snap, and it locks. So you grab this part right here. You're gonna worry about 3 things: right, middle, left. Right, middle, left. So you want to look at this part right here. Now there's a slit right there, and that's where you want to align it. So align the right side, middle, and left. All right, you see that it went inside. All right, so now that we push this in a little bit, look under here. You see these little tabs right there? They're both on both sides. They have it right there. You want to push this up and push in at the same time. There it is, done. So this footrest is where his foot goes. You can actually adjust it. All you have to do is take this and put it up, and you'll see in the bottom right here, the bottom of it takes out like that. You could actually adjust it first, second, third right here. So I'll put it on the third. So just like that, all the way in. Okay, so we'll just go right in. That's it. Now his feet is more comfortable. That's pretty cool that you can adjust the footrest. Okay, now you grab the seat booster and we're going to install it here on the high chair. You'll notice that the seat booster has this part right there. It has it on both sides, and that's your indicator where to place it on the high chair. So if you look over here in the high chair, you'll see that it has 2 slots. So here's the slots I was talking about, that side, and then has it on the other side as well. Okay, here we go, like this. Push it down like this. Hear that click? That's when you know it's steady. And if you don't want it, you have these levers right here. It has this on the other side as well. You just want to lift it up like that, and then you pull it up. But for this video, I'm gonna leave it on there. Alright guys, so we have the seat booster. I'm gonna take this out real quick and I wanna show you something. Alright, so this is the seat booster that you guys just saw. We actually installed this part. It was really hard to show it on camera because of the angle. But what you want to do is you take the seat part, okay, and you see this handle right here? If you pull it up, you'll see that there's pins right here. See that? So those are the level adjusters. How you install it, you just pretty much close that, which pulls in the pin, and at an angle like this, okay, you just shove this in until it reaches one of the 3 holes you see there. That's it. So now it has adjustment of 3 levels. So now, as you have these 4 straps right here, I'm gonna look at the bottom straps, put these inside the slots here, and she goes through the front. Like that. So you do the same thing with the other side. Okay, so now you have it like that. So it went through here. Okay, so now you should have 4 facing this way. You'll see like these little slits here. So these are the bottom, these are the top. So now I put it here. Okay, and it should come out the front like that. You do the same thing with the other side. There it is. And now you put the top ones. There it is. And now you have the bottom one too, and there's also a little bottom slit. So they make it pretty easy. Look at that. Look at that. Cool, right? Alright guys, so this is how you buckle it in. You take the top part, you take the bottom part, the top part goes inside here. Like that. Okay? And then you take the bottom, and then you strap that sucker in. So you do the same thing with the other side. Insert. Now that's what it looks like. Okay, so if you just want to release the whole thing, you just press that button right there. There it is. Don't forget to do this part, guys. You see this? Put it right here. Same thing with the other side. Now it's complete. Okay, let's put this back where it belongs. Alright, so now that you have this part, you see these? So you got to put it right there in that slot. Now they're both in. Alright, so we got this tray. You see the slots here, and this slot goes here. You see there's 2 of them. When I pull these in, that should go here. So here we go. Like this. There it is. See, and you can adjust it. Move forward. Another way to adjust a tray is you push the middle inward so that you could move the tray forward or backward. Alright guys, so this is what you should have so far. Next one is the tray insert. So you'll notice that you have this part here. You just put that in the back like that and just put it in. So that's what it looks like. Alright guys, so you see this part right here? You can use that lever to adjust the whole seat. To adjust the seat, pull up on both left and right levers and adjust the seat lower or higher. Here is a farther view so you can see better. If you want to insert the infant insert padding, find the straps and insert all of them into the pre-made slits. There should be a total of 4 on the back. And don't forget to insert the strap on the bottom of the padding. After installing completely at the highest height, the chair was a little bit over 42 inches in height from the ground to the tip of the backrest of the chair. The widest part of this item is the tray. Therefore, we wanted to measure to let you know that it measured a little bit over 25 inches. There are 7 features on this high chair, and one of them is that you could recline the chair back. You could adjust the chair lower or higher like a traditional high chair. You could even turn this high chair into a toddler booster. Let's set this aside and grab another chair. You'll notice that the sides of the booster has built-in compartments with straps on both the right and left sides of the booster. To install it, let the straps rest on the sides, kneel down, and find the straps to connect both of the straps. Tighten the straps accordingly for safety. This high chair could also be a toddler chair. To save space, you could even close the legs like we've shown earlier. Another cool feature is that you could set up 2 different chairs at the same time. Number 6th feature on the list is that you could set this up to be an infant booster. However, I apologize that we forgot to attach the tray on the booster. It's supposed to be dead center, but for now, just imagine it. One of the best features of this item is that you could turn the whole thing into a table and chair. To do this, you have to take out the legs of the high chair, including the back part and the front part with wheels. Also, dismantle the footrest and set it aside for now. Then, you take the tray, grab the legs with wheels, and be sure the holes are facing you. Otherwise, they won't insert properly. After clicking the leg wheels in place, grab the other 2 legs, and this time make sure the holes are facing away from you so that the legs would click in place properly. After you have done this, flip the whole thing upward, and now you have a toddler table and a toddler chair to use. Do not let overweight 35-year-old adults use it for long periods of time. Alright guys, let's go ahead and review this thing. Let's put baby Braxton inside the chair. Alright.
Braxton, you like your new chair?
Alright. Baby Braxton is 6 months old. You have different heights here. Hey Braxton, which one's comfortable? Maybe I'll put it at 2. Okay, he's secured, guys. This is good quality. He's not gonna fall. His harness. He's very, very safe. You like it? Yeah? So it's easy to wheel him around. Pretty cool. His feet can't even reach the top. Even if I put it to the highest right here. Yeah, look, see? Oh yeah, at 6 months of age, he can use it, and I like this thing because even when he's a toddler, you can turn it into a table, and he can use it to like, what, 3, 4 years old? All right, let's feed this baby some banana. So as you can see, the tray works very well. It's sturdy, man. Like
it's
this is
very strong, huh?
This is a strong tray.
And look how thick that is.
So yeah, it's very comfortable. The chair does its job. So here, I'm a 5'9" guy, and if I sit in just like your regular chair, I mean it's perfect size. It's a good height, as you can see.
Huge space.
Huge space.
Very nice, sturdy countertop.
So yeah, in review, I like this. I recommend it to everybody. So it's a great investment because you can use this for a very long time. It saves space because you can fold it. It rolls, you can bring it with you. It's a lot of good benefits in my opinion. Alright guys, if this video helped you out, please consider liking and subscribing because it lets me know that content like this helps you out. Also, let me know your opinion about this item in the comments section below because I would love to hear from you. And if you want this specific item, the link is in the description below. Until then, I will see you at the next item.